Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the reel face filter on TikTok. So for this you need a filter from Snapchat, and you're gonna need this picture from Instagram user reel the remedy. Where is the picture? Yeah, you need this picture. You need to screenshot this picture. Then you need to go to Snapchat, and in Snapchat you need this filter called face swap. Okay, you're gonna need this filter. So for this you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will find both the picture and the snapcode for this effect. So what I'm going to do, let me screenshot this picture. Okay, now this is the snapcode. Tap on the snapcode. Okay, and you will see this pop-up on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there. Okay, and here you will see the different faces. Now select the reel face. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will record a video here in Snapchat and we will save the video to camera roll, and from there we can use the video in Instagram or TikTok, wherever we want. So let me record a video. Okay, let me save the video and let's go to TikTok. Okay, here in TikTok this is the upload button. Tap there. Now this is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Okay, and likewise you can share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do the reel face filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.